What a beautiful evening it is. I am just on my way into work. My evening commute. Can't fault that, eh? As you can see, I'm on Elvis. Brian is still awaiting parts which are on their way, and his MOT booked in for May the 16th, I believe. Something like that. A couple of weeks. It's the earliest I could get in, because they're rather busy down there. Excuse me. KTM's all up and running. I should be out on him on the weekend, doing an off-road day. Well, of sorts, adventure bike day, couple of lanes. But for now, we're commuting to work on Elvis. I do like this route. Shut the visor, there's got a few bugs kicking me in the face. One of you needs to go, you can't both just sit there. The downside to coming through the lanes. Never mind. National speed limit along here, I wouldn't say everybody could do 60 along here. Reaching 30 would be a good start. Hey ho. Right folks, so well, I say new jacket, a jacket I don't often wear, a mesh jacket. Let's open this visor because it gets a bit warm. Basically this proper motorcycle jacket, full body armour, elbow, shoulders and back protector. All CE approved of course. And the jacket itself is made of mesh, so it's lovely and cool in the summer. Absolute game changer. Yeah, lovely breeze through the jacket. If you get a bit chilly, you can always chuck a jumper underneath or hoodie over the top or something. It's so much more comfortable than normal textile leather jacket. Highly recommended. They're not expensive. I mean, I bought this one off eBay. Bear with me. The company is called MDW or something like that. It's about 60 quid. Excuse me. You can of course get RST, Reeser, etc. mesh jackets. That'll set you back around £120 plus or whatever. It's your choice, depending on your budget. But it makes such a difference. Oh, sorry, MCW. Mike Charlie Whiskey, that's the name of the jacket. Yeah, what a difference it makes in the summer. It's so much more comfortable. Oh my good god. Sorry, I'm just amazed at people who can't take roundabouts. Now, a lot of people would do all the gear all the time and think, no, I don't care. I've done a video about this before. What you choose to wear is entirely up to you. It's just my opinions on what I think. You want to ride around in shorts and t-shirts, you carry on, that's your business. It's your skin to lose, not mine. I personally prefer to wear proper gear in general. Not always, I will admit, but generally I wear proper gear. Mesh jacket being one of them. And these gloves. RST gloves, not RST, sorry, LS2 gloves. Can't remember the make or the model. They're like a mesh enduro type glove. I got two pairs, I got these, I got an orange pair. Really nice in the summer. Through spring and part of autumn you can wear them. Obviously they're not waterproof, they're water resistant, but for keeping your hands comfy in the warmer weather they are great. Again, plenty of airflow. So those who say it's too warm to wear bike gear, I'm sorry, I have to disagree with you. There are too many options of mesh gear, stuff with vents in, all sorts that you can wear that are going to keep you a lot more protected than your t-shirt and shorts. Right, I'm going this way because you are just doing my head in. I go this way every time anyway. Oh, I absolutely love coming through here. Even in winter, it's quite a nice little run. See, I don't subscribe to this riding season thing. Of what is this season of which you speak? I ride all year round, my choice, and I enjoy it. Oh, what I think of it. If you've not checked out his channel or his social media things like Instagram and Facebook, etc., Hippodromes. Guy called Pete, hell of a nice guy. Does loads on YouTube with different bikes. He's got the XSR 900 GP, I think it is, the Marlboro inspired 900 Yamaha. He's got an Aprilia Touareg he calls a tow rag, like the rest of us, which he does adventure bike off-road stuff on. Sure, he's got another one, V-Strom 800 I think he calls Daffy. Anyway, cracking channel, well worth a visit. There's all sorts, but more importantly, oh there we go, right at the moment, I want to wish him best of luck, good health rather, get well soon mate. If you follow him you'll know what I'm talking about. If you don't, Pete was out with Mr. Fish, another YouTuber, and a few others doing an off-road day the other day, and he had a bit of a funny turn and they thought it was dehydration, but it turned out he'd had a heart attack. Fortunately he survived really well, he's doing okay, he's on the mend. None too happy about missing out on his bacon sandwiches, but yeah. Hippodromes, Pete, get well soon mate. See you back on the road real soon. Oh, I must remember I can't take my normal route because the road's closed, they're resurfacing. So, different route today. Well, I just thought, beautiful evening, weather's amazing. We'll take you along for a wee commute into work. And why not? And just to mention about my jacket. And how wonderful this mesh jacket is and how sensible it would be for other people to wear similar items rather than just t-shirt and shorts. Or jeans or whatever, because something is better than nothing. Okie dokie folks, right, I'm going to clear off because I will be getting to work soon, and the rest of my journey is pretty much going to be stuck in traffic by the looks of it and being held up, so you don't want to see that. So I'll catch you on the next one. Pete, get well soon mate, or Hippodromes, whichever you want to call him. To everybody else, whatever you're doing, please be safe, ride safe and have fun. And of course the statuary, I wouldn't forget. Toodles! Well, that's me done for the night. 13-hour night shift done, home to bed, and come back and do it all again tonight. Happy days.